Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by selecting starchy potatoes like russet for crispness. You want 2-4 per person depending on appetite. Once chosen, cut them into roughly 1/2 inch sticks so they cook evenly. Rinse under cold water while you work to remove surface starch. After cutting, soak the sticks for 30 to 60 minutes in cold water to firm them up and reduce sugar. Then drain and pat completely dry. Moisture is the enemy of crisp fries. Once done with drying, par-cook the potatoes. Either blanch in oil at a lower temperature or simmer briefly in salted water for 4 to 6 minutes until tender but not colored. Make sure to cool them on a rack. This step firms the interior and prevents soggy results. If you have time, freeze briefly or rest them 15 to 20 minutes, which improves texture. When ready, heat oil to 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the final fry and prepare your seasonings. You now finish the fries by frying in small batches at 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit until they turn golden and crisp, about 2 to 4 minutes depending on size. Once out, drain them briefly on paper and immediately sprinkle with salt or your chosen spice mix so seasoning adheres. Make sure to taste and serve hot for best texture. If fries come out oily or limp, increase oil temperature slightly, reduce batch size, and confirm the potatoes were thoroughly dried before frying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.